Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making one person the family organizer. This gives control of purchases and sharing. First, open Settings and tap your name to confirm Apple ID is active. Once done, tap Family Sharing and choose Set up your family. This creates the group and sends invites. Make sure each member has an Apple ID. If not, create one now. You do this because the organizer manages shared subscriptions, purchases, and location features. Starting correctly avoids later permission issues. Next, add members. Tap Add Member and select Invite People or Create Child Account. You can send an iMessage invite instantly. Once people accept, enable the services you want to share: Apple Music, iCloud storage, App Store purchases, and location sharing by toggling each option. For children, turn on Ask to Buy so purchases need approval. For adults, adjust purchase sharing if you want individual billing. You do this to control costs and privacy. Granular permissions keep each person's data. To finish, verify every invited person shows in Settings Family Sharing and confirm shared services appear on their devices. Make sure the organizer's payment method is valid. Purchases route through that card unless members use store credit. Once everything syncs, test by downloading a shared app or checking iCloud storage usage. If someone didn't receive an invite, resend it, have them sign out and back into their Apple ID, and double-check system updates. These steps fix most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.